So after the third day, we got most of the stuff out of the car. All that's left is really just getting the wiring sorted out, getting rid of the electric doodads, the airbags, and all the electrical little things in there, separating it all, which is gonna take a little bit of time. From that point, then we're gonna start actually inserting stuff in, like the roll cage, which I'm gonna leave up to Luca because he's the master at welding and bending all the tubing.
Yeah, here again with Elvis, he's got his car pretty well stripped out. It's a couple days behind the sister car, which has the wiring all finished up, and the chassis is just being prepped for the roll cage build coming up.
I'm gonna be there just watching and supervising, which is gonna be great, and that's gonna happen in a couple of days. So we're off to that part of the car build.